Melisandre.
It's 2018. I need a revamp. Let's go.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Okay, first of all, in this year, I'm about to give my face a facelift. But you know, this is the DIY kind, not the one that requires me to go and get injections. So I'm gonna start off with the Oh Magical Almighty. First, it's a must to get all of the baby hairs off your face, so you do not pull them off piece by piece in agonizing pain. Agonizing. Just give me a second. Take some time to get into 2018. This calls for something drastic. A drastic facelift. Okay, as you guys know, I've been using the retinol, but I've been forgetting to put it on my face at night. All right. Everything's covered. So what I'm going to do for my facelift, you want to know, don't you? You want to know what the ultimate facelift is all about, don't you? This is it. You've all seen it before. But this is the ultimate black face mask. Yeah. You see it. Focus on it.
White one?
Yeah, that's it. Let's go. It's a little stuck in there.
Crazy mother.
Brand new one. Darn, I don't want to take my nose ring out. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. I shouldn't have done that. I had no other choice. I had to pull it out. Oh, that's gonna hurt in the morning. I think this is the last of my black mask, guys. This has to be the ultimate facelift here. This is it. Gonna have to buy more for 2018. Gonna need a lot of this. Oh, I just can't wait to have a new face. It's gonna be amazing. Oh shit, I got it on my baby hair. Damn it. I need the baby hair. I feel it tingling. That must mean my new face is coming. Or it means that your face is gonna fall off underneath this mask. What do you think? All right, this is a lot. I'm going for the ultimate facelift. And we're coming in with 2018 fresh. You know how you get like the little chin hairs? We're gonna do it under here. Status of my face, and you can tell the old face is coming off because see, it's dripping. The old face is slowly going away. And the new face is going to appear very soon. You wait. And let me just tell you, you guys are gonna want to go and run as fast as you can to get this new ultimate black mask face off. You heard it right. Black mask face off. Ultimate facelift. When you're hungry, or you're getting a facelift, I mean, I was totally hungry before I put this face mask on. I know I was. Look, I'm gonna do a little mukbang while I'm getting a facelift. This is great value fruit and grain cereal bar. These are one of the very few that I eat for breakfast. This is also a facelift mukbang. How to eat a cereal bar when you're getting a facelift, Black Mask style. I sure hope it doesn't hurt much, but I guarantee you that it will. Well, it beats Botox, right? Okay. Straight arm challenge. No, I don't want to do that because I want to eat it. I'm a little antsy and I'm a little scared, but I'm really excited. Are you? And it's like extra dry. I think it's been like a whole hour. So I can't really peel it off. What the friggin' fargan nugan, man? Oh, guys, it's stuck on my face. Oh my god. Alright, maybe this was a bad idea. I mean, I know I could totally just wash it off, but... Oh my god, I put a lot on too. How the heck? Alright, let's start from the top. No. Don't do this side. Alright, I think I got it. Okay. Okay. I want to try to get it off in one big peel. Don't look! I'm getting a facelift! Facelift. You hear that? Nobody said this was gonna be easy. I'll be back with a whole new face. I'm crying. I'm crying. Okay. Ready? Steady? Go. Oh. That is. Oh Lord. Do I look better to you? Does this look like a facelift? You damn near pulled the skin off my face. I almost was left with flesh. You saw that, right? Okay, so, let's examine my face. Here. Was it worth it? Yes, it was. If you don't get grossed out, do you see all that on there? Yes, that is my face. That is my face on this mask. My face does feel extra smooth. I do not think that I have any remnants of 2017 left on this face. I'm going to say that the facelift, I can't even talk because I'm so discombobulated. Half my face feels like it's on fire. But it works. So if you want to go in immense pain like you just saw, you're gonna want to go and get the deep cleaning black mask by Shill's Natural Science. And I purchased this from Amazon. That is all for now. I need to go take some Tylenol. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. It worked. This is the most amazing mask I've ever used in my entire life. You know better. Anyway,